here we go. I know all of you guys are excited, so let's begin with Mutya number 3. Every Rose Ong.
Hello, Mutya number 3. How does it feel na you're part of top 5? No, just to break the intense pressure here, kay medyo serious ra kaayo ta. So, unsay imong maingkaingon sa imong mga supporters?
First of all, I would like to greet everyone. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, Butuan. And of course, I would like to say thank you so much to all of my supporters. Maskin dili ko kakita, kay ngit-ngit kaayo siya diha sa likod. But thank you so much, everyone. Even to those na nagtanaw sa live karon.
All right, perfect. Candidate number 3, Eri. Your final hashtag, are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Kindly pick one.
Mutya number 3, once again, you have 45 seconds to answer this.
And your hashtag is hashtag livable city. I'll repeat, hashtag livable city. And your timer starts now.
We are all aiming for progress, and as a city ascending, we are all gearing towards developing and implementing sustainable goals such as SDG number 9, innovation, infrastructure, so that we could all address the issues, and of course, we can all to have livable city that we have here in Butuan. And as your Mutyahong Butuan, I would like to use this platform for us to empower ourselves and empower others in making a difference to greater heights. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much. Very well said, Mutya number 3, Eri Rose Ong, daghang salamat. Empowering Butuanon. We move on with Mutya number 10, Angel Junalyn Colima.
Hi, Angel. Wow, talagang you've brought with you your whole Butuano sa imong mga kabarangay, imong mga kamunisipyo, sa imong gusto yung wow over there.
Hello everyone, I would like to say thank you so much for coming here and supporting us lovely candidates. And shout out to my clan, Colima and Radaza family, and to my friends, relatives, and all the Butuanan tonight. Thank you so much.
You know what? You cheering for our candidate over here, OJ, it would give every candidate so much confidence here on stage. It would really help lift
Give
our
them their,
spirit.
the
Yeah, dili
boost
sa yun.
that they need.
Dili sa yun, especially kaning question and answer
Of course.
nga portion. Now, I believe you're ready, impressed. Your
Alright.
your municipality.
Mutya
Please.
10, kindly pick one hashtag. And your hashtag is hashtag competitive city. I'll repeat, hashtag competitive city. And your timer starts now.
In life, I think it's our greatest pride to be proud of our roots and our origin. This molds us into the gem that we ought to be. And tonight, I stand as a prouder Botswanon because hashtag competitive city is a testament to our pride. Our city is not only rich in history, but also development. So we are competitive and we are ready. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, Mutya number 9. We are competitive and we are definitely ready.
Yeah, we are ready for the world. Napapalakpak si Mayor.
Oh. All right. Thank you very much. We move on with Mutya number 4, Jadine Liz Banagan. Hello, Jadine. Maayong gabi. Ganahan kay ko sa mong neck pillow, no? Pwede siya mahimong tanday.
Janine, ikaw ba unsay mo ang pinaka-favorite part sa competition? I know nga you've been through so many activities, OJ, the pre-pageant activities. Super lingaw kay na, no? Nga mga parts sa pageant. So, unsa ang imong pinakaganahan?
Actually, I can say that ang pinakaganahan jud nako is the bond with them. You know, we are in a hotel right now, just for 3 days, but I can feel the bond with them. And I would like also to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's been here and who's supporting me since day one. I know dili ta mo matag-sa-tag sa everyone, but just so you know that I'm really, really, really grateful to all of you guys, and I hope that na-proud mo sa ako this night. Yun lang po. Thank you.
I'm very sure they're super proud of you. And OJ, I would like to agree na pageants end, but the memories that you've created with our fellow candidates, it will last forever.
Aside from the competition, you have gained sisters in
Yeah,
life.
it's the sisterhood.
May
Thank you.
pinaka-importante.
Ay, nag-thank you na ko. Wala pa din siya answer.
Di ba dito mo?
Di ba tumao?
okay.
Alright, please pick for your hashtag.
Jadine, your hashtag is hashtag one Butuan, one Caraga. I'll repeat, hashtag one Butuan, one Caraga. Your timer starts now.
By this hashtag, all I can say is, when I hear this hashtag, all I can remember is Balanghay Boat. Why? Balanghay Boat is a region from Butuan. And when I hear Balanghay Boat, all I can remember is Bayanihan. When I say Bayanihan, of course, a boat cannot sail with one captain, but it has to have a people beside them. And of course, I can connect it here on stage. That being here on stage, being in a pageant, it is not just about beauty. It is more about service to the community, being a role good model. And of course, by that aspect, I can say that I did make a difference. And I thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
so
much. Mutya number 4, Jadine Liz Banagan. Now we move on with Mutya number 9, Mary Bless Aranio. Hello, good evening. You look lovely today. Of course, you've won numerous minor awards earlier. How do you feel tonight?
Good evening, everyone. Actually, I am very grateful that I've been given an opportunity to be awarded in those different minor awards. I think it really pays off my trainings and also my sacrifices for this pageant.
Alam mo, kanina nagchikahan tayo, may
Oo.
kwentuhan, nag-storya mi ganina ni OJ nga every time, no, ako ang mag-open sa special award, imuha ngalan, akong permiga ka-timingan. And siya, it's candidate.
Number 8.
Number
So I think
8.
we are your lucky charms.
Lucky charm. Oo.
here tonight. Who
So,
knows?
Alam mo, may share kami mamaya,
Oo.
if ever. Kung sino man
Tungod,
siya.
ana, magtunga ta kung madaog mo.
Anyway, number 9, I believe you're ready. You're more than ready. So please pick for your hashtag. Ayan.
Mutya number 9, Mary, your hashtag is hashtag sustainable city. I'll repeat, hashtag sustainable city, and your timer starts now.
Throughout the years, Butuan have attained sustainability and palpable change in the lives of every people. And that is because of its government that exhibits a collaborative effort when it comes to betterment of this city, especially when it comes to infrastructure, education, healthcare, and job opportunities. I truly believe that through this initiative, we will not just promote Butuan, but also it will put us to be a globally recognized Butuan for another years of successful stories. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very well said. Mutya number 9, Mary Bless Aranio. To a world-class city.
Yeah, I'm pretty
World-class
sure our
sustainable
judges
city.
are having a hard time.
For sure. And we have, of course, one finalist left. Please join us here in front. Mutya 8, Kathleen Espenido. Hello, Kathleen. And you know, that's what Cindy said. No, kung ako'y mo open sa imuhang sa envelope ganina. Of course, aside from tungod lang ana, you deserve those awards. Mangutana ko, pila man na katong hati o niya. We'll talk about that later. Perfect.
Murag nakaingon na gyud niyang mga taga-Butuan nga naong ra kay tagkwarta.
Okay, Mutya number 8, of course, tell us about how you prepared for tonight.
Well, actually, we slept very late. Yeah, we slept very late, but even though we slept late, we prepared the backstage. I really, like put face mask on, mga ganon, yeah.
Oh, those
Yeah.
beauty secrets.
Exactly. There are so many things na you have to sacrifice, no? No sleep talaga. Kanina na ako'y nakita sa likod, no? Ang mentor gaingon na, og please, pagkaon sa gamay. No, kay wala
Yes.
pag yun siya kaon. It's not an easy task to be here, represent yourself, the people with you. So, diba? Let's give our candidates, please, a well-deserved round of applause for their efforts, the hard work, the sacrifice that they
That is
made
right.
for them to be able to give a great show.
That is correct. And of course, your hard work, determination, commitment is paying off. You being part of the top 5. One final challenge separating you from the crown. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Mutya number 8, Kathleen, kindly pick your hashtag for tonight. Kathleen, here we go. Your hashtag is hashtag ascend as one. Or repeat, hashtag ascend as one. And your timer starts now.
Whenever I think of Ascend as One, I think about Butuan having peace and security going side by side, a place where historical landmarks and its natural resources are maintained rich and undisturbed, a place where beautiful people live in peace, in love, and in harmony, helping one another to achieve community goals, projects, and endeavors under the good and outstanding leadership of the officials. It really feels like home. Thank you.
That's the most important part. It feels like home. Thank you very much, Mutya number 8. And that concludes, ladies and gentlemen, our final round for tonight. The fate of our candidates lie in our judges' hands. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our top 5 a big round of applause. It's truly clear that these women are not only stunning and beautiful on the outside, but also possess remarkable inner beauty and intellect. And later on, ladies and gentlemen, one of them will be crowned your new Mutya Hong Butuan 2024.